welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon, and in today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my new YSL college medium bag. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on my post notifications so you are aware of when I post, and let's get straight into this video. Okay guys, so my bag is in this dust bag, but a little backstory. I did recently just purchase this in August for my birthday. I actually went to the YSL outlet that is in Palm Springs. And yes, if you guys didn't know, YSL does have outlet stores, and I have been looking for a bag similar to this. I originally wanted, I believe it's called the Toy Lou, and this bag looks very similar to it, so I was very excited when I saw this. And yeah, you can basically get, you know, some YSL for a cheaper price. So I found this beauty in there, and this bag is just so gorgeous. So as soon as I saw this bag, I grabbed it so fast because look at this beauty. This is going to be so perfect for the fall/winter. I love olive green, so when I saw this, it was very different because originally I was going in there looking for a bag that was black with gold hardware, but when I saw this, I was like, this is so gorgeous. And they didn't have this in black, but it didn't matter. Like, I love like earth tones and neutrals. I wear those colors a lot, so I was like, this is perfect. This is the medium sized college bag, and it is 100% lambskin, so very soft leather, very beautiful. I love that it had the gold detailing. It is kind of like that type of gold detailing that's kind of like, how do you kind of describe it, kind of like that rust kind of gold detailing, but so gorgeous. And I can actually wear this bag in 3 different ways. Like, guys, look at, just get a close-up on this bag. As soon as I saw it, I fell in love. And they had actually got this bag in the day before, and they usually don't get this style bag in. So I actually got a style bag that is actually still sold in stores, but not in this color. So kind of got like a limited edition color. What's this actual color called? This is Poncho Seaweed. So this bag originally retails for $2,450, and at the outlet it was $1,709. So like a really good steal on this bag. I still have the tags on because I'm waiting till it gets colder. I'm waiting to get my fall attire together. It's still hot in LA, so I'm waiting to pop this out. But let's get into some detailings of this. This is like the quilted leather, so as you can see, like the quilted design on it. It does have this back pocket, which I thought was really nice. Top handle, so I of course can wear it like handle style, but what I loved inside, it does come with a strap. So I was like, okay, so this is a strap. I'll show you guys that in a minute. But the inside, pretty spacious. Like, I have enough room to fit stuff in it that I want. So it does have the Saint Laurent inside. It does have a back pocket. Let's see if I can get this for you guys. A back pocket right in there. And then it is divided by a compartment, and it has a zipper compartment. So 2 sides to the bag basically, and then zipper. So I can put stuff in the zipper if I wanted to. And then it does have the little authentic cards included inside. So yeah, when I saw this, guys, I was like, oh my god, like, I'm buying this. Like, this is my birthday gift to myself. Gotta have it. So this is what it looks like just by itself. Okay, so that's the first way to wear it. And then included with the bag is this handle. So it has like that olive, well, they call it the Poncho Seaweed color, and then it has like that rusted gold chain to it. The chain actually feels pretty light, so not a heavy chain. And then you can just clasp it onto your bag. So you just take it and link it on. Okay, so now I can wear it like this. It does hit down pretty long. I don't really mind. So it hits to right here. And then also I can wear it across my body. So that's the second way to wear it. So okay, so what I really like is, like I said, the different ways to wear this. So I can wear it with the handle, and I see some people still keep the chain on, and this is perfect for even like going to brunch, going to dinner, if you want to wear it the handle style, or you can turn it casual real quick with adding the chain. Now the other way is that I can shorten the chain, so I can always take it so basically you just loop it through and you create a shorter chain, and you can turn this into a shoulder bag, which I feel like I'm gonna wear it a lot as a shoulder bag because that's originally what I wanted. I wanted a shoulder bag, but I like that I can really just change this bag into 3 different ways. Like, that's so crazy. Look how cute this is. Waiting for it to focus. There we go. So cute, you guys. Like, was this not a good find? A bag that I can turn into 3 different ways, and got it for such an affordable price. I saved like $700 on this purse. And this purse is actually originally more expensive than the purse that I wanted. And the purse that I wanted, you could only really wear it in 2 different ways, but this I get 3 different ways. I get a beautiful fall/winter color. And yeah, I'm like obsessed. I'm definitely going back to that YSL outlet to get some more stuff because it's so cute. And I had also mentioned, like in my luxury collection video, that I did want to get a YSL purse for my birthday, so I did get my purse. But I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.